Fab and Nick. Today we will do some decoration in the living room. As always, do some cleaning. This is from the 80s. And for start, I have these candles that you turn on. Very cool. They are with a timer and the flame moves. Yeah. The thing with those fake candles is that you can burn some real candles so you get stearine. Then it looks more real. Just turn them on. And we have Sally and Jack and a photo frame from Disneyland. For the living room table, we do some cleaning. We have this scary guy. Love those tealights with timers. This one we did last year, or is it 2 years ago? We have a video. And we spray painted this. So what I do, I just fill this with pattar, make it a little more fall, but with some glam. With a Mickey. We will not light this one.
It's just for decoration.
Yes. Maleficent! And this blanket has hidden Mickeys all over it. And we need some flowers.
Are you allergic to the plastic flowers?
Yes, I think so. Here's the ghost. So here is the trick for you. You take some ashes and then you take it on the glass door.
Some cinder from the Ella.
Cinderella. This is how you clean. And then you take
The paper towel.
Then you have the clean window. You see through?
Yes. Now you can.
No. This is the trick.
Kan du tänka stå iväg?
Let's do a cozy brasa.
It's green.
Är det öppet eller?
Why is the flame green?
Ja, det undrar jag med.
A pumpkin we painted.
Yes.
Yes. It's empty. Had to shake for the candy.
Little candle.
Did you make a fire in the light as well?
Yes, I did.
Oh, but that one is fake, not like that one. That's the real one. This is real, with real smoke and real tree.
Yes. Okay. Then we have to spook it up a bit here.
They are made of foam and they came in a 4-pack. When we got them.
Yeah, I guess they were from the dollar store, wasn't it?
I think it was, yes, dollar store or primark, but I think it was dollar store. I don't remember.
Remember,
Probably dollar store.
if you don't sponsor us, we don't know.
We don't know, but they are cool
They are
and
very cool.
spooky.
Yeah. The
Eiffel
Eiffel Tower.
And it's from Paris, of course.
And it lights up. It's another DIY battery pack.
Here it is, the cemetery of Paris.
Yes.
Is it good? Inspector? Do you like it? Is it good? Yes?
Good.
Maybe.
Here you go.
So pretty and cozy. Cozy.
Cozy is this way.
It's so dark. Where did the sun go? So this is what it looks like in the real light. Yes.
Take some time to jokes of love. Take some time to jokes of love. Take some time to jokes of love. Take some time to
Härlig. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.